To allow ordinary download from other PCs, Delivery Optimization in Windows 10 Home, open Settings, click or tap Start menu icon, and then click or tap Settings. Select Update and Security, and then tap Delivery Optimization. Delivery Optimization provides you with Windows and Store app updates and other Microsoft products quickly and reliably. Allow download from other PCs if you have a unreliable internet connection or are updating multiple devices. Allowing downloads from other PCs can help speed up the process. If you turn this on, your PC may send part of previously downloaded Windows update and apps to PCs on your local network or on the internet. Your PC won't upload content to other PCs on the internet when you are on a metro network. Tap Allow download from other PCs switch until on to turn on or tap switch until off to turn off. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.